Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Driven Wyld. Today we're talking about Raccoons ruin woman's Taco Tuesday by stealing her DoorDash taco delivery. DoorDash drivers are typically blamed for a lot of things, and customers are usually pretty quick to point the finger at drivers, but this time the real culprit was caught at the scene. It wasn't the neighbor, it wasn't the customer, it was a trash panda. This one's gonna be fun to read, I swear. So with that said, I want to go over everything that's being said in this article, how it actually is for DoorDash, UberEats, and Grubhub drivers and customers, and everything in between. So with that said, let's get started. A Florida woman's Taco Tuesday was ruined after a group of raccoons stole her DoorDash delivery from her doorstep. Let the record show, this wasn't one little dude deciding to get in their food. This was a group of them. They swarmed that crap. Katerina Savares from West Palm Beach was left stunned after she found out her DoorDash order had been stolen by a gang of hungry, furry thieves. I'm so glad it's raccoons being called thieves. They just have the look, man.
You foolish raccoon. I've caught you red-handed.
Ah, Carmelita. I haven't seen you since I gave you the slip in Bombay.
She had just finished showering at around 2:30 a.m. when she headed to the door to pick up her late night snack, only to be shocked by the sight of a group of raccoons devouring her Talkin' Tacos order. First off, why is it that customers feel this undying need to take a shower after ordering food? Especially the ones that lived in gated communities and live in buildings that are like on the 10th floor and they need a code to get in. And their excuse is always the same.
Oh, I'm sorry. I was in the shower.
Some are telling the truth and some are just lying straight through their teeth. Apparently this one was doing it at 2:30 a.m. What are you doing at that time of night? And then again, showers are relaxing like that, right? I opened the door to a raccoon with a taco in its mouth, Katrina told Newsweek. I closed the door and went back to grab my phone because there was no way I wasn't filming this. I wonder if she baited the raccoons that way. Like, she left it out there for a while to see if the raccoons would end up taking their order. Because I'll tell you what, that would go viral.
Well, duh.
Whoa. What?
It's not a spoiler if it's obvious.
Raccoon thieves go viral on TikTok. The taco enthusiast then filmed the bizarre moment and shared it on TikTok, where it has since gone viral with over 5 million views. Bro, raccoons run my apartment complex. I can't even. She captioned the clip. The things you do for content, huh? I'll tell you what, if she did stage this, I think it was rather genius. 5 million views, my goodness. The video shows the hungry customer opening her apartment door to find a torn paper bag on the doormat with tortilla wraps beside it, while a raccoon stares her down from the hallway. Meanwhile, two of his furry accomplices could be seen lingering near the stairs.
Hey, Johnny, come on. We gotta go.
Nah, man, hold on a sec. I want to get a look at this chick.
Come on, Johnny. We got no time for this. We got the tacos. We got the load. Let's go.
Katrina was taken aback by the incident, having never encountered such a bold food thief in the 5 years she lived in the apartment building. I live on the 2nd floor, so they had to have stalked the DoorDasher, she told the outlet. However, the TikToker found humor in the situation. After I took the video, I closed the door and just let them have the rest, she recounted. They never ate the tortillas. Everyone in the comments says how skinny they are, but clearly they aren't that starving if they didn't eat the carbs. Hey, look, some people just don't like the tortillas. It's like the people who don't like the crust on pizza, you know? After the local restaurant she ordered from learned of the viral video, they reached out to offer Katrina a gift card to compensate for the trouble. DoorDash also credited her for the uneaten order. You know what? She made out okay. She got a viral TikTok, a credit to her account, and a gift card.
Jesus, man, you always thinking with your stomach and your fists, huh? Let's go. We got no time for this. Nah, man, she looking like she ready to fight me. Dude, I'm telling you, it's not worth the time.
Yeah, come on, Johnny. Let's get out of here.
Next time, you better keep that door closed, you hear me?
This is my opinion. It's worth what you pay for it. None of you pay me. There you go. This is what happens when you leave the food out for too long. Whether it was intentional or accidental is irrelevant, because what's gonna happen? Raccoons or whatever creatures of the night are going to get at your food. And why wouldn't you take the opportunity to get your food as quickly as possible? Isn't that the entire point? You were hungry, so you ordered? Come on. Now again, was this part of her master plan to get views? Possibly. I mean, hey, it wouldn't be the first time where someone claimed to be in the shower before receiving their order, even though they weren't. But nevertheless, if you got an order coming, you should be alert and ready to receive it. I'm not saying you can't be doing anything while you're waiting for the food, but why take a shower where you're gonna come out soaking wet, or you gotta dry off by the time you get the notification that the food's there? Because I'll tell you what, Trash Panda 89 decided to square up with you.
What, you want some of this? You want some of this?
Dude, come on. It ain't worth it. It ain't worth it.
Kind of thrilled that it was in Florida where this happened, because it's like local for me. All in all, just make sure that you're not wasting your money by ordering food and then leaving it outside, so that way literally anything or anyone can get to it. Because you ordered that food for you because you were hungry, not because he was hungry. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. As always, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.